Hi everyone, today we're gonna make chicken and squash. I'll do mine's a little different this time, but it's one of my favorite meal. So I got my green seasoning here. It's a nice little fry pan. So we're gonna do it curry this time, not fried squash.
So curry chicken or curry squash chicken.
Yeah. And I have my masala, jeera, curry powder, and some dye here. Turmeric.
Turmeric.
I'm gonna soak this up because if I throw it in there, it will absorb all the oil. So I'll throw some water in here and mix it up.
You're gonna make a batter.
This one. I put a little bit extra water in there.
Because you want to bujja it really good.
Yeah. And we seasoned our chicken yesterday. And it's not much. It's just a little with green seasoning, black pepper, salt, garlic, scallions, everything is in there. And I love squash and chicken, just fry or curry. And
Okay.
here is this squash. It's a nice young squash from Florida. I think that's going to be good in there, and I'll put in the chicken in here.
That smells like curry chicken.
It's the same way I cook curry chicken
Yeah.
with aloo, but we're putting squash. So we're gonna let this bunje for a little bit, cook for a little bit here. And we're making some tea, some lime leaf tea.
We're gonna make some lime leaf tea in a little bit.
Yep. Alright, so we're gonna put in the squash in here.
Oh wow, it's really good. Oh, yummy.
I think we're gonna have to add some water in it too. This is really dry up here. So I'll put some water in there. The chicken steam out nice and bunje pretty good. It was on there for 15 minutes. Now we're gonna add some pepper and tomatoes, scallions, onions. Some people would saute all this stuff here with the masala and curry powder and jeera. I just choose to put mine in now. Because I want my squash to have some very tasty flavor. And it looks really, really good, and it smells really, really good. And we got our tea boiling up in there.
It's our lime leaf tea.
Lime leaf tea.
With some cloves and cardamom.
Yeah, you can see the clove there. There's a few cloves in there.
Yeah.
And cardamom in the corner.
We're gonna be drinking that down soon.
With ginger, not ginger, with
honey.
Honey.
Sweeten with honey.
Sweeten with honey.
I'm gonna sweeten it with you, honey.
Guys, that tea is very, very good. You guys should try it out, the lime leaf tea. At least once a week or 2 times a week. It's really good. Instead of drinking a beer, you know? Or taking a shot. This is way better to drink.
Because that's what we do. We drink lime leaf tea and we don't take beers and we don't do shots, right, babe?
Yeah. Yeah. Lime leaf tea. Alright, let's check this out. Squash looks done there to me. You can put in some, I like to put in my pepper flakes at the last with the black pepper and stuff. And this is black pepper.
You barely want to show black pepper.
I'm throwing a whole lot there. And of course salt.
To taste.
To taste. Yeah. And check this out, guys. It looks really, really good, and I wish you guys can smell it. Squash is one of my favorite with chicken. Either fried squash or squash and fried fish. Squash and saltfish or squash and smoked fish, I think.
Squash and anything goes.
I also like stew squash. Squash was one of our main diet in Guyana. And I want to thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate all the subscribers, everyone that's watching the show. Thank you guys so much for your support, for your comment. Please don't forget to like, hit that subscribe button when you guys watching. Thank you guys very much. One love. Peace out.
Peace out.